So this is how you can add an account to your MacBook or any Mac computer for that matter. So what you need to do is to find the settings app of your Mac like this. You're going to get inside and you'll be presented with a bunch of different options. And as you keep on scrolling on the left panel, you'll essentially find what's called Internet accounts. So this is what it looks like. It's like the blue icon with the add sign on the top of that. So you can click there and you'll see the current state of your accounts. For me, I'm currently signed in with just the iCloud, which I can expand and see my profile and everything, so that's fine. But I always have the button to add an account. So when you click on this, you can see that I can type in my email address, or there is also a little blue text which is clickable as a button which says choose from a list. And when you click this, it's going to essentially expand the providers. So most likely you are going to be trying to sign in with like a Google account or a Microsoft, Yahoo, and so on, right? So for example, if you click on a Microsoft, you'll be able to change the name and just proceed with the email address and then go through the setup process, right? So let me just type that in very quickly in here to see and to show you what it looks like. So you can see that we can click on a sign in, and it's just going to get us to like the account to their website where you can essentially just sign in. As you can see, it's on there. So that's kind of how you can add different kinds of accounts. However, do not forget that you can also use different accounts in the web browser. For example, if I go to Safari, you can see that I'm inside of my Gmail and I'm signed in with an account which essentially is not even added in the settings of my Mac, right? And I can see my account, I can manage my Google services or be signed in with essentially anything I want, but only within the web browser. And in here, you can as well add another account and just sign in and so on. But as I say, this is separate from the settings sign in where you add the account to essentially like the whole computer, and now you are only signing in within the Safari browser. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll hopefully see you in the future uploads as well.